Stop scrolling. This verse might be the reason your breakthrough hasn't happened yet. You heard me. One verse, one shift, one miracle. Let's go. James 4:2 says, you do not have because you do not ask God. So many of us are stuck in almost seasons, almost healed, almost free, almost blessed. But God didn't call you to almost. He called you to abundance. James is saying, you're empty not because God isn't good, but because you haven't asked. Not begged, not hinted, asked boldly, like a child who knows their father loves them. What if your next breakthrough is just one prayer away? Ask with faith. Ask like He's already working. Ask like He's a good Father, because He is. Right now, stop what you're doing. Type, yes, Lord, in the comments if you're ready to ask boldly. Tag someone who needs to hear this and follow for more Bible in your feed, because this is the season of answered prayers.